Hey everyone and welcome to Saw Auto and Unboxing YouTube channel. Today I will unbox for you the Puma XRay Speed Mid WTR sneakers that I got for the winter season. I bought the sneakers from Fashion Days Romania, for the price of 350 lei, which is about 70 euros. The sneakers take inspiration from the original XRay and enhance it with better than ever speed and agility for truly unstoppable style. Best of all, the SoftFoam Plus sockliner provides supreme underfoot cushioning, so you'll feel as good as you look, every step of your day. I hope you will enjoy watching this unboxing video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I hope you will return for more unboxing videos. Have a great day. Bye.